Hey, it's time for that end of the week video, the wrap up. Worked on Frank's car this week. We got in the pillar posts that hold up the trunk brackets. Finished up all of the sheet metal work inside the trunk. Finished up all of the sheet metal work in the floor. So now all the floors are finished. All up in the back around the tubs. Everything's completed inside. So next week, we'll pull the suspension and we'll get this thing ready for the rotisserie and the blaster shortly after that. So stay tuned. The 33 is coming along. She's been blocked one full time, completely reprimed again. And that's getting ready for another coat of primer. It's coming along pretty good. And in the booth here, we just walked out of here. This is just sprayed. That 61 we've been showing you. Just finished that one. And up here, finally got some parts in for the Chevelle. Got some new quarter panels, some new floor pans. We're in here. Got the top off out of the way and just got the wheelhouses. So the wheelhouses just showed up. So next week we'll dive into this and get some of that sheet metal done. And I want to show you something outside here. We have a neat little project that we just getting ready to start. All right, so here we have a 1969 Chevrolet COE. This was brought to us by one of our members here, Bob Jamoka. This is going to be his newest project. Challenge accepted. We're going to make a 69 COE into something cool. This thing is pretty neat. It's a retired fire truck. It's got 21,000 original miles on it. So she's pretty cool. But it's gonna be a neat project. You're gonna have to stay tuned on this one. So I'm not gonna tell you too much about it. You'll just have to check back with us and check it out. Here's your 21,000 mile door shut. But stay tuned and we'll keep you posted. And as always, have a nice, safe weekend. And we will see you next week.